Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So my dear friend, I hope you all people are doing great, fantastic. So without further ado, let's start the video. My dear friend, this video is very important for beginners. In this video, I am going to talk about how to practice English on the daily basis. Why? Because beginners are confused how they should practice English so that they can improve each day and speak this language and become confident in English. So my dear friend, in this video you will get to know best way of practicing English, and if you follow and you will practice your English as I will tell, so definitely you will improve every day and speak this language, become confident in English. So without wasting time, let's talk about way of practicing English. So my dear friend, first of all I would like to say, start practicing your English with daily routine. If you are not capable to tell your daily routine, explain your daily routine, so start practicing your English with daily routine. Whatever you do, morning to till night, every day, explain in English, tell in English. And if someone knows very well to tell their daily routine, so for them I will tell they should explain activities, whatever activities they are doing, yeah, incident, condition, situation going around them, they should try to explain those things in English. Yeah, if you read any book, explain after reading what did you read, what did you learn from reading. If you watch any videos, after watching, explain what did you watch, what was the story, what was the matter. So daily routine, activities, incident, situation, condition, any kind of around you, try to explain in English and do practice of English. So my dear friend, if you do, then what will happen? You will start becoming better in explanation. What happens? Beginners are not good at explanation. They are good at only introduce their self and in common conversation. But when it comes to explain, tell something, they get stuck. So if you start practicing your English in this way with daily routine, activities, situation, condition, so you will become not only better in explanations, but also you will explain, tell confidently. So first I will tell, practice your English in this way, and you can practice with yourself in front of camera, in front of mirror, as you want. Okay, in second I will tell what you have to do for practicing your English on the daily basis. So for that my dear friend, I would like to tell you, practice with one unknown person. Go and connect over the app and try to practice with them. So if you practice with different people, you will practice your English in different way. How? Let me tell you little bit about me. See my dear friend, when I was practicing with myself only, that time I knew only few things. But once I started practicing with different people, I learned so many things. I learned storytelling, chain speaking, role playing, talking on topic, such kind of way of practicing English I learned. how how I learned when I started talking with different people. जब मैंने शुरू किया दूसरे दूसरे लोगों से बात करना, तब मैंने जो है ये सब प्रैक्टिस के बारे में जाना कि स्टोरी टेलिंग करके हम अपने इंग्लिश को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, रोल प्ले करके, फिर से चेन स्पीकिंग करके, टॉपिक्स पे बात करके. सो इन योर केस माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू connect with people, new people and practice with them on the topic, yeah, by storytelling, yeah, by doing role playing, chain speaking, such kind of practice you should do different people. So in this way, if you practice first with yourself by telling your daily routine, activities, condition, situation, whatever around you, so you will become confident and better in explanations. And when you will practice with others, so also you will practice your English in different way by talking on topic, storytelling, chain speaking, and you know role playing. So over there also you will become better in those way of practicing English. Also you will become confident in English, in speaking with yourself and with others. Also you will not feel fear to talk with anybody. So you should practice your English in this way with yourself and with others. Initially, I know you will feel fear, a lot of fear you have, and you feel low confidence. But while fearing fear and low confidence, you have to go and start talking, practicing your English with them in different way. Then you will improve on the daily basis. And also you have to learn vocabs, sentences every day. Not a lot, but at least one and two. So you will improve in this way each day, every day, by practicing your English with yourself, with the daily routine, and with others, and learning vocab and sentence on the daily basis. So in this way, if you practice your English these two way and learn sentences, vocabs, my dear friend, every day you will improve, and that's how you will speak this language, become confident in English. So if you are someone and confused how you should practice your English on the daily basis, so my dear friend, I will tell, must practice your English in this way as I told. So you will improve each day and speak this language, become confident in English. So how did you like way of practicing English? If you like, then must follow and take the benefit of this way to practice your English and become confident, fluent in English. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.